Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe customer data into HubSpot CRM. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot CRM account. Navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, locate and select the Integrations tab. Within the Integrations section, look for Connected Apps. Click on Connect a new app to begin the integration process. Search for Stripe in the app library. Select the Stripe integration from the search results. Click the Connect App button to initiate the connection. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials. After logging in, authorize the connection by clicking Authorize Access. Return to your HubSpot account once the authorization is complete. In the HubSpot settings, navigate back to the Integrations section. Locate the Stripe integration listed among your connected apps. Click on the Stripe integration to access its settings. Configure the settings to sync customer data as needed, including transaction data and customer details. After configuring, save the settings to apply changes. Now, go to your HubSpot contact page. You should begin to see customer data from Stripe populating your HubSpot CRM. To verify, check that customer details and transactions are correctly reflected in the contact profiles. If any discrepancies arise, revisit the integration settings to adjust your configuration accordingly. That concludes the steps for installing Stripe customer data into HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.